Hello, and today we're going to do the early review of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3. And if you haven't checked out the previous video of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3, check it out and let's begin with the review.
So guys, as we head to the review, we get now let's go to the review. So we get to notice the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 is an upcoming phone mobile by Samsung. The phone is rumored to come with a 6.90 in touchscreen primary display. As far as the cameras are concerned, the Samsung Galaxy Flip 3 is rumored to pack a triple camera setup featuring a 12 megapixel primary camera.
Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 is based on the Android. Connectivity options on the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 are set to include the Wi-Fi and GPS. Sensors on the phone are rumored to include in-display fingerprint sensor.
Then the news about the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 is the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold um Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Z Flip 3 are largely anticipated to launch in August, and South Korean news outlet is that Yonhap News Agency reports that Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Samsung Galaxy Flip 3 may go on sale starting August 27th. The launch event is expected to take place somewhere in first or second week of August. So guys, if you like this video, subscribe, like, comment and share, and turn on the notifications, because the channel you guys need to subscribe and like, comment is on the screen over there. It is called Tech World. So what you guys need to do is you guys need to subscribe, like, comment and share, and turn on the notifications. Subscribe right now. And you guys also should say what do we need to improve, what do we have to review, and do not forget to leave your comments, and we will see you in the next video. And this is Tech World. Peace.